Standard 5th lesson 4. In this lesson, we are going to learn about scientists from Tamil Nadu and differentiate between reversible and irreversible changes. Science has helped us to find solutions to many of our problems. It has shaped our daily life also. We see lot of changes around us. Some of them are reversible and some of them are irreversible. Let us study about them in this lesson. Scientists from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has produced many scientists who have contributed to the world of science. Next, we see the names of some of the scientists from Tamil Nadu and their contributions. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Green Revolution. Srinivasa Ramanujam, Composite Numbers. Venkatraman Radhakrishnan, Structures of Ribosomes. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Development. Sir C.V. Raman, Scattering of Light. He completed his Bachelor of Arts degree at Presidency College, Chennai. He stood first and won gold medal in physics. Sir C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930 for his work in scattering of light. In 1954, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Blue appearance of sky. One day in the summer of 1921, Sir C.V. Raman was on the deck of a ship sailing in the Mediterranean Sea. He was observing the blue color of the sky and started reasoning it. He concluded that sunlight is scattered by the gases and particles present in the air. The white light we see is composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. That means VGR. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appears blue most of the time. During sunrise and sunset, rays have to travel long distance. As they travel, all other colors except red are scattered. So sky appears red at sunrise and sunset. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Awul Bakir Jainulabuddin Abdul Kalam, was an aeronautical scientist. He was involved in India's missile development program and thus come to be known as Missile Man of India. He also served as the President of India and widely referred to as the People's President. He was awarded Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. He was written many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds. Next topic, changes around us. Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. We see many changes around us. We see changes like day and night, summer and winter and so on. We also see changes in objects. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. Let's see reversible changes. Changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. The chemical properties of the substance do not change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. Next one, irreversible changes. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. A substance cannot change to its original state. The chemical properties of the substance will change. All chemical changes are irreversible. Let us see some examples for reversible change and irreversible changes. If you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transformed into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. Irreversible changes. Take a balloon, now blow it to its full size and prick it with the tip of a pin. It is burst. Can you get the balloon back? No. Those type of changes are known as irreversible changes. Next we see book bag exercise for this topic. Choose the correct answer. Blue appearance of the sky is due to dash of light. Scattering. Who is known as Missile Man of India? B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. An example for reversible change is melting of ice. Chemical reactions are example for irreversible changes. Next one, filling the blanks. First one, the book Wings of Fire was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. A stretched rubber band comes back to normal shape. It is an example for reversible. Most of the physical changes are dash changes, reversible changes.